All right, math legends, let's see if you can solve this math problem first before I do. And you know what to do. If you want to explain to the community how you got the answer, you want to tell us how fast it took you to solve this math problem, put that in the comment section down below. And also, please subscribe to help me reach 100,000 subscribers. All right, we have 2 divided by 3 divided by 2 divided by 6. The first thing I'll do is use the keep, change, flip method, where I keep this part above the fraction bar. Then we want to change the fraction bar to multiplication. And lastly, we flip these numbers. So the 6 will go here and the 2 will go there. So let's go ahead and write what I just said. So we keep 2 over 3, then change the division symbol to multiplication. And then lastly, we flip these numbers. And we want to turn this into a fraction as well. So that's what I meant by flipping. So this will go there and this will go there. So we turn that into a fraction. So the 6 will be on top of the fraction and the 2 will be at the bottom of the fraction. And now we just have to multiply across. So 2 times 6 equals 12 over 3 times 2 equals 6. And now we have an improper fraction, 12 over 6, and this can be broken down to its simplest terms. So knowing that the top number and the bottom number are even, we can just divide by 2. So 12 divided by 2 equals what? 6. Over 6 divided by 2 equals what? 3. Now we have 6 over 3, and we can just divide 6 divided by 3, which gives us what? 2. And 3 divided by 3 equals 1. And now we have 2 over 1, and we know 2 over 1 equals 2. So your answer is 2. And there you go.